This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Open the Photos app and scan recents to see what's already available. Tap Albums to find favorites or people quickly. Once done, make sure iCloud Photos is enabled in settings so your images sync across devices. This saves time and prevents local loss. You don't need to adjust camera settings yet. Instead, organize a couple of key photos into an album immediately so you can practice editing and sharing in the next steps. Now you'll edit and organize. Select a photo and tap Edit, crop and rotate to improve composition, then apply a filter to set mood. Use adjustments, exposure, contrast, highlights, to refine details because these change how viewers perceive the image. If it's a live or portrait shot, experiment with depth and key photo choices to get the best frame. After editing, add to a named album for easy retrieval, and use markup to annotate before you share with others on Messages or AirDrop. Finish by sharing and backing up. Tap Share to AirDrop, Message, or Post to apps. Choose Export to send originals or edited copy to preserve changes. Use Duplicate before major edits if you want two versions. Make sure iCloud Backup or another cloud service is active so you don't lose memories. If photos won't appear or sync, check iCloud status, available storage, and Wi-Fi. Sign out/in or restart the iPhone as a quick fix. This resolves most sync and display issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.